What up, good people? Today is Team in the Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about, do I need an alignment? Man, so the only reason why I'm bringing this up because your boy ArtOfSpeedd need an alignment on the Gen Coupe right now as we speak. So, alright, cool. I was doing like a 360 of the vehicle, looking at the tires, making sure the tires are looking good, and guess what? The tires is getting bald on the edges, and I'm looking like, yo, when the last time I did an alignment on the Gen Coupe? I thought about it, I'm like, yo, I don't know when the last time I did an alignment. So, yes. So I put it to the test, driving down the road, take my hand off the steering wheel, and guess what? It's gravitating towards the left, and I'm like, yo, hold on. Yes, I understand the road is a slope, but it's boom, like that, and I'm like, oh, this can't be good. So I did 2 tests. I actually physically looked at my wheels and like, oh yeah, I need alignment. And then the second one was because I was in denial, and I'm like, yo, the Gen Coupe don't need alignment. So I decided to drive it, and I took my hand off the steering wheel, and yes, it's pulling hard to the left and right. Depends on the road and how I'm driving it. So yeah. So guess what your boy need to do? He need to go out and get an alignment. So we're gonna get alignment. And then I was talking to one of my mechanic friends, and they were like, yo, you need alignment. I'm like, no, I don't. The funny thing about it is, how do you know you need alignment? Yes, you can take your hand off the steering wheel if you're pulling hard to the left or the right. Yes, that is one sign of you need alignment. The second sign is your steering wheel may not be straight. So your steering wheel is straight like this, how the emblem is into your car, and the emblem is straight down the middle. Yes, but if the emblem is a little cocked to the side or cocked to the side like that, yes, that's mean you need alignment, or you just been going on a lot of bump, or you are going on a lot of potholes and you messed up your rack pinion or anything like that. Then the next sign is visually looking at your vehicle and looking at the tires, and you turn your wheels sharply to the left, turn them sharply to the right, just to do a 360 of your vehicle, and you're looking like, all right, cool, hold on. These tires not wearing evenly. Yes, so we all know your boy bought brand new tires last year for the Gen Coupe, front and back, and I'm looking like, yo, this can't happen. So yeah, your boy need alignment, or if you want to, some places give out free alignment checks. So you just take it to your local dealership or your local mechanic and be like, yo, do y'all do free alignment checks? If they do, tell them you want to get a free alignment check and see if your car is out of balance. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.